What is meditation and why do you need it? Well, meditation happens to be an amazing golden nugget of self-improvement. That means it's able to boost your happiness, your mental health, your physical health, your presence, mindfulness, and many other things. In short, it improves your life massively. You need meditation. And I'm going to explain what it is and exactly how to do it correctly in this video. Because what most people don't realize is that if you do meditation wrong, you're not going to get all of those amazing benefits. So stay tuned to the end. Meditation that I'll be talking about in particular for this video is called mindfulness meditation. It's the one that gives you all of these benefits. Meditation, and specifically mindfulness meditation, is a process to give you all of these amazing benefits, and it is proven by science to boost your happiness and to help you fight depression and to improve your life in many other ways. Before I get into talking about how to actually do this mindfulness meditation, let me explain a quick few more things that will actually help you to boost your mental health. The first thing is to break your addictions. I made a video on that and you can go scroll through my channel and check it out. It's how to break all of your addictions. The next thing is to remove the instant gratification from your life and to add more delayed gratification. This goes hand in hand with breaking your addictions because it's kind of how you break your addictions in the first place. The next thing is gratitude journaling. Gratitude journaling is amazing. All you have to do is get a piece of paper out, write down I am grateful for, and then write 3 to 4 things that you're grateful for and why you're grateful for them every single day. Do this morning and night and that'll boost your mental health. As well as getting out in nature and talking with friends and having a goal that you strive for, that helps, as well as improving your physical health. There's many things, and I made a full guide to mental health, which I just did recently. You can go and check that one out. It's pretty easy to find on my channel, and check it out. It'll teach you everything you need to know about boosting your mental health. So if you're interested in that and you think that your mental health needs some work, go check it out. Especially for the people that have never even heard of mental health, or haven't even thought that their mental health is rubbish, because they're normally the people that end up having the worst mental health. Go and fix your mental health, go and check it out. Why exactly do I say that you need meditation, and why should you listen? Well, the reason that you need meditation in your life is because meditation has been proven to be one of the best ways to boost your mental health, which is the backbone to everything. Because if you don't know, mental health is the most important thing you can work on. And it is also the major player in depression. Mental health, when it is poor, equals depression. Mental health, when it is good, equals happiness. So this meditation, mindfulness meditation, is a way to boost your mental health and in turn boost your happiness and every area of your life. So mental health and meditation is amazing. Also, if you go and check in the description, I actually have a link to my Discord tribe of like-minded people who are all on self-improvement. You can go there and chat with me personally, day and night. I'm on there 2 times, 3 times a day. And I'm willing to help you out with anything you're stuck with. So go and check it out. It's basically one-on-one coaching for free, as well as a community of like-minded people. Completely free, go check it out. So, let's get into exactly how to do mindfulness meditation. The first step. Sit upright with your back upright in a good position, close your eyes, and start taking some deep breaths. You're going to breathe in and breathe out. Doing this will ease you into the meditation. Now, after you've been doing that for about a minute, now you just want to let your breath come and go naturally. Meaning, don't control it. Don't force it to come and don't force it to go. Doing this doesn't really help and it's really annoying. So, let your breath come naturally. After you've done that, you will focus on the breath. Put all of your attention on the breath. And it doesn't matter if you get distracted, which I'll cover in a second, but all your focus is on the breath. Keep focusing on the breath. At some point, you won't even realize, but you actually get distracted. Your mind will go elsewhere, to a thought, to a sound, to a feeling. It'll go elsewhere. Now, your job is to realize when this happens. The moment you realize it, even if it's been going on for a while, the moment you realize you've been distracted, bring your attention back to your breath. By doing this, you are being mindful of your breath and of the distraction. You're being mindful that you just got carried away. Repeat this over and over and over and over, and it's basically like reps for your brain. Just like how you would exercise, where you'd lift up the weights over and over and over. It's the same thing for your mind. It's your mind lifting up those weights, getting stronger. It is exercise for your mind, which is amazing. So keep doing this over and over and over, the exact same process. You will be focusing on the breath, you'll get distracted without realizing it, you'll realize you're distracted, be mindful of your distraction, and then you'll return to following the breath, and you'll repeat the cycle over and over and over. Now, here's a few quick tips when it comes to it. Don't get annoyed when you get distracted. It's all part of the meditation. If you get carried away, that's fine. That's exactly what's supposed to happen. So many people do meditation or mindfulness meditation and think that they have to be purely focused on the breath with no distraction at all. So they try really hard, they force the breath, they do all of these things that ruin the whole purpose of the meditation. The purpose is to get distracted and to realize that you are distracted. That is how you become more mindful, more present. That is how you become more grateful. That is how you become more happy. That is how you fight depression. And that is how you boost your mental health. It is amazing. Definitely give it a shot. Now, you want to remember that the meditation isn't just a once-off thing. You're not going to do it just once and boom, get all of these results and, keep them forever. It doesn't work that way. What you need to do is do this morning and night every single day for at least 2 weeks. But realistically, you want to do this morning and night every single day for the rest of your life. Because the more you do it, the more mindful you get. The more reps your brain's getting, the stronger it's getting. So you want to do this morning and night every single day for the rest of your life. How long should you do meditation for? It depends on how good you are at meditating. If you've just started, I would say 1 minute to 5 minutes. If you've been doing it for maybe a week, up it to about 7 minutes to maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes. If you've been doing it for a few months, maybe go up to 20 minutes. Personally, I've been doing it for about a year now, and I've upped it right up to 20 minutes. I do it 20 minutes in the morning, and I do a different type of meditation at night time, more of a breathing meditation for relaxation, but it still does make me a little bit mindful. But I do that to help me sleep, because I know that sleep's very important. If you're trying to boost your mental health, morning and night mindfulness meditation. Otherwise, you can just do it once a day. That's it. In the morning, at lunchtime, whenever you've got some free time, take out 5 minutes and do a meditation session. Now, how can you remember all of this stuff that I've just told you? How can you retain in your brain how to do the meditation, how long to do it for, what's the process, what to remember? Isn't there just some simple, tool that you could use that would help you to meditate? Luckily, there is. That app is called Medito. Medito is a meditation app that is free, completely free, on the App Store. Go and download it. It is what I use every single day for my meditation. All you have to do is you follow from their beginner's guide all the way up to their advanced guides, so you follow through their little course program they've set up for free, and then after that, you just do daily meditation sessions on their little daily tab. There's also a ton of other meditations if you're interested. Just click on the tab down the bottom and you'll see a massive list of just different types of meditation. Stories for nighttime, for trying to go to sleep, how to go back to sleep, meditation if you're stressed, if you're worried, how to be more mindful, more disciplined, all of these different things. Go and check it out. That is what I use, that is what I recommend, and no, I'm not sponsored by Medito. The importance of meditation for mental health is massive. So many places around the world, so many people around the world just completely neglect their mental health. And then when they're depressed, they go to their doctor and go, I'm not feeling too well. The doctor goes, here's some little pills, take these. They take the pills and wonder why it doesn't solve it. The reality is, the pills don't actually cure your mental health. They don't cure your depression. The pills are designed to make you feel good. They release chemicals in your body to make you feel good. They do not cure your depression. Only solving the problem, only solving the thing that is causing the depression in the first place is actually going to cure your mental health, your depression. It's the only thing that's going to cure it. So mental health is the cause of depression. Instant gratification destroys your mental health, which instant gratification is dopamine, another little chemical thing. You get it from short-term content. I don't need to go into too much detail. Instant gratification destroys your mental health. Destroyed mental health equals depression. You want to fix that, stop the things that are destroying your health, and start improving your mental health, which in turn will destroy your depression. You want to fix your depression, fix your mental health. You want to get depression, destroy your mental health. Really simple. Pills are never going to solve it because the problem is still there. You need to fix it. You can't keep band-aiding it your whole life. Take some responsibility and start fixing your mental health. I've listed a ton of other tools you can use in another video. Go and check it out. There's plenty of videos on my channel to do with mental health. And also, start your self-improvement journey, because self-improvement itself is just about being the best you possible. Start mental health, physical health, social health, covered discipline. I've covered how to start a business, as well as my own business selling bracelets, which made me $500,000 per year business at 13. I don't have to go into too much detail, really complicated, but I made $175 per hour. You times that 9 to 5, 9 to 6, and you end up getting 500 grand business. So I'm restarted now, and this is what I'm actually about to tell you. I've restarted my jewelry selling business again, and that business that did really well, making like $400,000, $500,000 per year when you look at the hourly rate, I'm restarted it. And I'm going to continue to tell all of you through YouTube and also through my private newsletter. I have a private newsletter which I send out daily, informational things about mental health, fitness, money, all of these things that I'm learning, I'm sending out to you. But the people who are in my newsletter get limited and premium access to my amazing, valuable information for my beading business. Every single thing that I've learned, all the mathematics, all of the statistics, all of the funnels, the systems, where I'm getting them, the supplies from, the multiplier rates, the dream customers, all of that is inside of my funnel. All of that is inside of my newsletter. So go and check out my newsletter, and link in the description. Highly recommend you check it out. It is worth your time. And guess what? It's completely free. So check it out. So, I hope this video helped you. I hope that you found some value in this. I hope that you definitely go and improve your mental health, because I don't want anyone who's watching my videos to be depressed and sad. I want everyone to learn from my mistakes and to actually improve their mental health so they can live a better life. Who doesn't want to live the best life they can live? Thanks for watching this video. Go and check out my drive, go and check out my newsletter, and go and check out more videos on my channel. It is worth your time. I've got plenty when it comes to mental health, fitness and physical health and working out. I've got another video on discipline and mindsets and motivation. I've got a video on how to break your addictions. I've got videos on sleep. I've got videos on business and how to actually make money online, how to use AI. I've got plenty of good videos. Go and check them out. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.